Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make this beautiful beef curry. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we've got our beef. I've got there 750 grams. That's about 1.5 pounds roughly. This is a stewing beef. It's not a great quality. We're going to make it really delicious and tender. No bone in there, but a little bit of fat on there, which is beautiful. 2 cups of onion. Fresh chili, the amount's up to you. I've got a tablespoon or more maybe there. Quite a lot of chili. You might want to reduce that down. Teaspoon each. Salt, pepper, chili, turmeric, cumin, coriander. Garlic and ginger. Usually I use garlic ginger paste. Today I'm not. I'm going to be using just a tablespoon of chopped garlic fresh and ginger. Let's get this together. There's a lot more to do. So I've got a mixing bowl there. I've got a glove on because I'm going to go in. I'm going to drop it all in. So the meat's in. There's the onion. There's the chili. The garlic. And the ginger. And then the spices. We just take one more look. Teaspoon each. Salt, pepper, chili, turmeric, cumin, coriander. In that goes. Now I'm just going to drop in some oil. I'm using a bit of sunflower oil here. A couple of tablespoons maybe. In I go, give it a mix. So in there I've got another 3 tablespoons of oil. Again, I'm going to be using a sunflower. Coconut oil is also really nice. We're going to drop in a couple of whole dried red chili and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. To that we're going to get a few fresh curry leaves in the mix. And we're going to let this go just for a few seconds. That will infuse the oil really nicely. Then we're going to simply take our beef mixture, drop it all in. We're going to stay on a medium heat only, not too high. Stir in often. We're going to go for 12 to 15 minutes. That's about 15 minutes, just under actually. Doesn't that look absolutely fabulous? What we're going to do now is I'm going to drop in 250 ml of water because I really want to get this nice and tender. So what we're going to do is we're going to go for another 10 minutes maybe. We're going to let it cook out. So no lid, let it kind of steam out, do its thing. It's going to really help that beef on its way. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, so that's evaporating out. You don't have to get it completely dry, but that's really helped that meat on its way. 3 cups of tomatoes. In they go. We're going to go for another 5 or 6 minutes. We want those tomatoes to really break down. They might give off a little bit of moisture themselves. Okay, so we're nearly there. Takes a while this one, but it's going to be really worth it. You see the tomatoes are breaking down really nicely. Next up we're going to add another 250 ml of water. So 500 ml, half a litre in total. Going to put this on a simmer really nice and low now. We're going to let this go for another 15-20 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, I'm happy. I've just tested it. The meat's nice and tender. Off goes the heat. Now, if your meat's not ready, go again. Get some more water in and go again. Little bit of garam masala powder, maybe half a teaspoon. A couple of pinches or 2, not too much. If you wanted some cilantro or coriander, I'm not going to put that in today. Little mix. Check it for salt. Beautiful. Job done. All right, there you go. Beautiful. Nice and tender that is. Takes a while, but it's delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.